Hi everyone, welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm Michelle, and today we're diving into some amazing budget-friendly upcycling hacks to transform your living room furniture. If you love vintage charm, cozy cottage aesthetics, and DIY projects, you're in the right place. Get ready for 20 creative ideas that will give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Revamp your old coffee table with a fresh coat of chalk paint. Soft pastels create a vintage charm, while deeper shades add a modern touch. Light distressing along the edges enhances the rustic appeal, making it a beautiful centerpiece for your living room. Pair it with warm lighting and vintage books for a cozy atmosphere. Give a plain side table a charming upgrade using Decoupage. Cover the tabletop with floral or antique-style wallpaper, then seal it with a glossy finish for durability. This simple DIY instantly adds character and elegance, making it a unique statement piece in your home. An old dresser can become a stylish TV stand with a bit of creativity. Remove a few drawers to create open shelves, then paint it in muted sage green or soft white. Vintage brass handles add an elegant touch, while the extra drawers provide hidden storage for a clutter-free living room. Give your worn-out ottoman a fresh new look by reupholstering it. Use linen, velvet, or woven fabric in warm neutral tones for a cozy aesthetic. Add decorative trim or tufting for an extra elegant touch. This budget-friendly makeover instantly elevates your space. Stack wooden crates to create a unique bookshelf, side table, or coffee table. Paint them in distressed white for a farmhouse feel, or leave them natural for an earthy look. Use them to store books, woven baskets, or decorative items for a cozy and functional display. Enhance your bookshelf by lining the back panel with peel-and-stick wallpaper. Floral prints, vintage designs, or neutral textures add depth and personality without being overpowering. This easy update gives your living room a stylish and curated look. An old wooden ladder can be transformed into a stylish blanket rack with just a little sanding and staining. Lean it against a wall and drape soft knitted throws over each rung. This functional decor piece adds warmth and charm to any space. Repurpose an old wooden door into a stunning coffee table. Add sturdy legs and either leave the wood distressed for a rustic appeal or give it a fresh coat of paint. This unique table adds character and makes a great conversation piece in your living room. Refresh your sofa with a handmade slipcover using thrifted linen or cotton fabric. Choose neutral colors for a timeless look or a fun pattern to add personality. Slipcovers are an affordable way to give your seating area a fresh, cozy feel. A vintage trunk can serve as both a coffee table and hidden storage. Add wooden legs or casters for height and mobility. Style it with candles, a decorative tray, and fresh flowers to enhance its antique charm. Give a dull wooden sideboard a makeover with a fresh coat of paint or wood stain. Muted blues, soft grays, or natural wood tones add warmth to your space. Updating the hardware with antique brass or ceramic knobs completes the elegant transformation. Stack vintage suitcases or attach legs to one to create a stylish side table with built-in storage. Maintain its antique charm by polishing the leather or painting it in pastel shades. This upcycling idea brings nostalgia and practicality into your home. Turn an old window frame into beautiful wall decor. Hang dried flowers, insert mirrors, or string fairy lights across the panes. The weathered wood finish creates a rustic, Parisian-inspired aesthetic that enhances your vintage decor. Instead of discarding a broken chair, transform it into a creative plant stand. Remove the seat and place a potted plant in the open space. This charming idea brings greenery into your home while upcycling old furniture. Wrap a worn-out table base with natural jute rope to create a coastal or bohemian look. This budget-friendly hack adds texture and warmth while hiding imperfections. Pair it with a simple tabletop for a stylish and refreshed design. Create unique wall art by framing vintage fabric scraps. Use embroidery hoops, wooden frames, or shadow boxes to display floral or geometric prints. This DIY brings texture and personality to your living space without breaking the bank. Transform an old fireplace mantel with a coat of creamy white or pastel-colored paint. Light distressing along the edges enhances its vintage appeal. Style it with candles, antique books, and small trinkets to create a cozy focal point. Turn a plain wooden table into a stunning accent piece with stencil art. Choose French-inspired motifs, floral designs, or geometric patterns to create a sophisticated look. Seal it with a protective coat to preserve the beauty of your DIY masterpiece. Stack and secure wooden pallets to form a sturdy sofa base. Add thick cushions in warm neutral tones and decorate with cozy throw pillows. This budget-friendly upcycling project brings a rustic yet modern touch to your living room. Give a thrifted mirror a luxurious makeover using antique gold rub-and buff wax. The gold finish adds elegance and a timeless appeal. Style it with soft candlelight and floral arrangements to enhance its vintage charm. And that's it for today's video. I hope these upcycling hacks inspired you to give your living room furniture a fresh new life. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.